This tutorial is going to go over quality checks for instructors to use the demo student option to drop off assignments, and then for instructor grading. I'm starting on my home page, but what I'm going to need to do is change into the setting for my demo student. So I'm going to go to the class list and create a demo account. It's now taking me to my class list, and what I'm going to do is scroll to my ZZ demo student and select the downward arrow to go on ahead and impersonate. So once I choose this selection, this will allow me to go into my course as a student. So as you can see in this upper right hand corner, it says ZZ demo student, and the first thing I'm going to do is go on ahead and I'm going to go to assessment and then down to my Dropbox. I've already put in an example for my week 1 assignment, but if you were to put in a submission, you can click on the assignment that you want. We'll just do week 2. And as you can see, I do have my rubric that's already attached. And then it gives me the option to submit. So I can add a file by clicking this selection and going either to a group locker, my locker, or to my actual computer to go on ahead and submit. So since I already have one for week 1, we're going to use that one. And then the next thing, while I am still in my demo, is I could also go to my quiz under assessment, quizzes and exams, and complete my quiz. So if you would like to check your questions to make sure they all are right without error, you can do that. As you can see, I've already completed this one as well, so that we could go on the instructor side to make sure everything's okay with grading. So now that I've checked my Dropbox and my quiz, I'm going to go on ahead and switch back to the instructor homepage. Now that I'm back in the instructor side, I can go on ahead and check what has been turned in as a demo student. So I can go to my grades and scroll down to my demo student. As you can see, there is a little signal saying that there is an unread submission file. And if I scroll over, I can also see that the week 2 quiz has been done. So first we'll go to the homework section for that week 1 homework. You see there's the document for me to click and open to review. And then also I have a grade mark. The Turnitin similarity, of course, it's going to be 100% because I used one of my previous examples as a file. So it's just saying it's 100% done before because I turned this in my own class. But we're just going to disregard this, and you can make your own settings to what you'll accept for your student for the similarity percent. You'll see on the right hand side I do have my rubric, so I can click on here and then I can select the grade that I want to give for the assignment. So as you see, they have the up and down arrows, or you can type it in. And then you do have the option to add feedback on each criteria. And now that I have my total score, 15 out of 15, I can select my overall score that I'm giving the student and then close. So it's just giving the score, 10 out of 10, 100%, that this is what the student is going to view, and then I can go on ahead and publish. I also have another option to put feedback, and that will update for that student's viewing options. I also have the option to retract if I need to make any changes. Now I'm going to go on ahead and look at the week 2 quiz. For the attempt, we have a completion summary. You also can do that drop down and actually look at the quiz on the attempt to see which questions were correct and incorrect for the student. And as you see, this is just an example, but it gives you the overall statistics for that student. And then you can leave feedback with this as well. Once you've looked over everything, you can save, and you can see that the final homework grade for the assignment that was turned in is showing as completed.